Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 36. Anyone have an idea how to make this app let these videos go viral? Tom Swazi went on CNBC's Squawk Box, which is most definitely hosted by a Republican, and used their rhetoric to prove them wrong. Fox News isn't the only Republican news source we need to be frequenting. Glenn Ivey spoke at the Hands Off Our NOAA rally at NOAA headquarters. Unfortunately, the whole rally wasn't live streamed, but at least you can hear his speech. Rick Larson posted this week's Recap with Rick, a series he does explaining what happened the week before. This is a great series to know about and make sure to watch every week. Senator Gary Peters wrote an op-ed in the Wall Street Journal about how the proposed tariffs will affect Michigan. Like with Tom Swazi, we need to be everywhere that Republicans frequent. Rep. Shelley Pingree reintroduced the Keep America's Waterfronts Working Act, along with Republican Rob Whitman. She even talked about how this is important for the climate crisis. This is the kind of bipartisanship we want to see. And showing that Republicans are hypocritical is a bonus. Don Bayer is putting on a series of resource fairs for federal workers, called Rising to Meet the Challenge. The first one will be at Wakefield High School in Arlington on March 8th from noon to 5. The Democrats announced their new senior leadership and associate chairs. Roger Lau was the first Asian American presidential campaign manager when he managed Elizabeth Warren's 2020 presidential campaign. And Shasti Conrad is the Washington Democrats state chair, the only state that went more blue in November. If you're worried that the DNC isn't progressive enough, these should be good signs for you. Dick Durbin helped lead the Ukraine rally in Chicago yesterday. And finally, Elizabeth Warren posted another one of her incredible videos. This one on how if they cared about government efficiency, they wouldn't be getting rid of the IRS. If you want more details on any of these stories, go check out my Substack. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.